नमस्कार। करीबन 3.5 साल का मैंने सबैटिकल ले लिया from the channel as a whole. I did not post anything for 3.5 years. The reason being is in 2020, one of my friend in Mumbai, he called me up and said that, Amit, are you still pursuing your passion, your hobby and all that? So I said no, I have left it or I have shelved it for last 27 years and I don't pursue it anymore. Now, what is this passion or hobby that I have? That is to build model ships, model boat, model trams, model planes and all that. So you get a kit which are mostly available in Europe, and then you start off building onto it. So 2020 May, what he did is he probably had been to Europe. He got a kit from there and he sent it across to me back to my place. And then I had nothing to do but to start off with it. ना हमारे पास कोई tools था ना all that which had rusted out actually. But somehow or the other, I completed it because it was a request from him. He is a very close friend of mine. And then I sent it back. And eventually, what happened is, moment he received it, and people started seeing that at his place. So उनके जो दोस्त हैं, उनके जो relatives हैं, they started sending me back, and in due course of time, whatever this 3.5 years had been, I went back, or I would say that कि वो जो कीड़ा अपने अंदर में था और जिस पैशन को 27 साल तक मैंने शेल्फ करके रख दिया था, that came back and that got ignited. I completed 5 of these model ships and I had sent it across to different parts of the country. Now, there is one such model ship which has come to me, and that's why I thought that this has to be captured, this has to be put forward. This art form is, I have not seen it much happening over here in India. Rather, we do not have the kind of kits which are being made in, say, Italy or in Denmark or in France or in US or even in Japan. These are not available. Nobody brings it out over here. Probably we do not have the interest to do it, or I'm not sure about it. But why did I think of putting this across? The reason is that if there is somebody in India who is doing it, I would like to know, then my learning curve, which will actually increase. So I learn on every day-to-day basis. So ये मॉडल बोट का जो और मॉडल शिप का जो किट मेरे पास आया हुआ है, पहले तो आज आपको उसका अनबॉक्सिंग दिखाएंगे, एंड सब्सिक्वेंट वीडियोस में I'll take you through as to how the build is made, or what is the process to take it forward from there. So kit के बारे में बात करेंगे and then take that ahead. So if there is a kind of a community which is already there, which I am not aware of, so definitely you write back and I will get in touch with you. I would like to know as to how you do your builds, what are the tools that you use, what are the kind of models that you have done. So that will be great. Another thing which I have changed, rather, I mean, in this 3.5 years, is that मेरा जो चैनल का नाम अभी विजुअल था, उसको मैंने चेंज करके 68 वर्क्स कर दिया है. द रीज़न बीइंग दैट लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ वर्क विच आई एम डूइंग. आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विथ माई पैशन नाउ after so long, so many years. So I thought that I'll change it, make it something like all the work that I do, it doesn't mean that I won't be talking about my car detailing portion of it. Definitely will continue, and it is still there. My product reviews, my reviews for anything which is good as far as what is available in India, from the home usage products, so I will bring it forward to you. I mean, slowly I will now gather myself and I'll bring it forward, because in last 3 years, as I said, I was so engrossed, I was so involved into it, that I really did not focus on making videos and putting it across to all of you. But anyway, we will catch up on all which you have missed and what I have not been able to put forward. So सारी चीज़ मैं ले आके आपके साथ share करूँगा and I'll present it. In the meantime, let's go ahead and have a look into what is the content of the kit. So it will be an unboxing, as I said, and let's look into the kit. तो चलिए अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं। इस बॉक्स के अंदर में ये प्लान जो है वो फोल्ड करके आता है। जस्ट टू safeguard the plan, I have actually rolled it and kept it aside. It talks about Amati as the manufacturer and when was the when the ship was being created. So 1879 is the year of inception. और ये पूरा स्केल मॉडल इज़ एक्चुअली 1:100। शिप का जो नाम है दैट इज़ चाइनीज़ पायरेट जंक शिप एंड दिस द एंटायर प्लान विद द हॉल, द कील, एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर। यहाँ पर उसका डेक दिखाया गया है एज टू हाउ द डेक इज़। गन क्रैडल्स कहाँ पर लग रहे हैं, गन पोर्ट्स कहाँ पर होंगे, विंचेस कहाँ पर लगेंगे, वेयर द लैडर्स विल बी पुट इनटू। उसके बाद जो लाइफ बोट्स है वो कहाँ पर होगा। सो ऑल दैट विच कम्स इन अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू हैव गॉट द टोटल फ्रेमवर्क जो कील का, हॉल का, क्रैडल का, everything which has been demonstrated out over here along with the deck area. So this is the deck plan. So that's been put forward. Decals कैसे होंगे, डिकैल का सपोर्ट कैसा है एंड ऑल। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यहाँ इटालियन लैंग्वेज में इनका पार्ट लिस्ट दिया हुआ है एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट लिस्ट विच इज़ ऑल्सो बिन गिवन इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। सो यहाँ से सारी चीज़ आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या क्या है और क्या क्या आपको मिल रहा है किट के साथ। मैं ज़रा इसको वापस रोल करके रख देता हूँ so that there is no tear as far as the plan is concerned, because plan becomes pretty important when you are actually building the ship. So ये जो भी kits इस तरह आते हैं, so whether it is from Amati or any other manufacturer, so they are basically museum quality as far as the wood is concerned, with historical accuracy and fidelity of जो scale जो होता है वो completely एकदम वेरीफाइड होता है। इस शिप पूरा कंप्लीट करने के बाद यू कैन सी हाउ द शिप लुक्स लाइक। सो वंस आई हैव कंप्लीटेड द शिप, सो शिप विल बी एक्चुअली 40 सेंटीमीटर और इसका स्केल जो है 1:100 है। अब इसके अंदर में मैं इसको खोल लेता हूँ सो दैट आई बी एबल टू शो इट टू यू व्हाट्स इनसाइड। अब इसके अंदर में हमें प्लान के अलावा we also get the instruction, which is somewhat like this, where the instruction talks about how to go about with the fitment of the keel, the hull, then how you are going to do your planking of your outer area of the boat, then the placement of your deck portion, planking of the deck, and all that is being put across. So यहाँ पर इस प्लैंकिंग को दिखाया गया है, यहाँ पर डिकैल्स कैसे आप लगाएंगे वो बताया गया है, विंचेस आप कैसे बनाएंगे that has been showed over here. There is a small room or a house on the boat, so how will that be made? Then you have got the entire plan of the mast as to how long, what is the length of the mast will be, how you do your framework as the mast is concerned, how your rigging is to be done when we tie the ropes. So that is basically the rigging. Then it comes to the portion of the lifeboats, and then this is the cradle on which actually the ship will actually sit. So if we start off, so पहला जो है ये डिकैल के साथ उसका जो support that has been given. Then after you get to see the sails. So ये sails है और sails के साथ इसका let me open this up, because otherwise it won't be correct if I don't open it. And there is something also I want to tell you. Now, इसको मैंने पहले खोला है, but then I packed it off. Alright, so जो कपड़े के सेल्स आते हैं, so that those are like this, which is pre-stitched यहाँ पर, और इसी सेल्स को हम यूज़ करेंगे as far as the ship is concerned. This is the main the laser cut, the keel portion, the hulls, the cradle on which the ship will sit. And if you look very carefully, there is a bit of a bend which has happened as far as the wood is concerned. So this is not in 90 degree नहीं है इसमें. And moment I wrote back to Amati stating that I have a problem as far as this wood is concerned. So without any questions asked, they send me a fresh one for this. Now this is the deck. So this is actually 4 mm thick, and this is 1 mm thick as far as your deck is concerned. So I will put them back in place. Okay, move this out. Now rest of it is out over here, apart from what I have shown you. The planks that comes in like this is the plank for the body of the ship when you are making it out. These are the plank for your deck. These are the dowels for the sails which you will be using. There are square blocks, there are round big dowels which you can see. These big dowels are basically for the part of your sails when you actually put the sails up. So that's where you actually will be using this round dowels. So all are being provided, whatever is required to construct this ship. Now, the other thing, these are all metal parts which I am showing you, and see how nicely it has been done. These are small clits which actually the ropes get tied onto it. So these clits are there. So these are metal clits which are there. The ropes, or you see it in a format of thread at this point of time probably, but these are the ropes which are being used. The pins have been provided. Then you have got these are the pins, and these are the round pins which you use while your construction. The lifeboat, in over here, the lifeboat is in plastic, and then you color it and put it accordingly with the guidelines which you have been given. These are your cannons. So कैनन यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड किया गया है, और कैनन के साथ उसका जो क्रैडल है जिसके ऊपर में वो कैनन जाके बैठेगा, और साथ में इफ़ यू सी कैनन को बांधने के लिए जो रिंग्स हैं वो भी यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड किया गया है. सो and these are all metal, all the cradle, the cannons, and all are metal parts. So we move to the next one, wherein the ship will require stairs, और सीढ़ी चाहिए होगा. तो यहाँ पर सीढ़ी दिया हुआ है बना के, और साइड रेल्स को चिपका के, उसके बाद सीढ़ी को अपने साइज में काट के देन यू कैन यूज़ दैट. जो एंकर है वो एंकर यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड किया गया है, एंड यू कैन सी इट्स अंकोरा. सो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज़ इन फ्रेंच. देन इसके साथ जो छोटे छोटे एकदम माइन्यूट, these are the blocks where you can see there are holes into it in which those threads will go in actually, or the ropes will go in, by way of which you do the rigging. So rigging ke liye this is what has been provided. Then it comes to the sail ke upar mein there are certain amount of decorations which have been done, so it looks like a bid, but this is how authentic they are. They have provided everything which is required. The winch के बारे में जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको, so I'll show you. So यहाँ पर ये winch भी दिया गया है कि winch किस तरह आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, और rather ये सारे प्रोवाइड करके दिया गया है जिससे कि आप विंच बना के देन यू प्लेस इट at the right place on the ship, referring to the plan which has been given. So this makes it very easy when it comes to any kind of a construction of a model ship or maybe a model train or maybe a model aircraft and so on and so forth. Now, uh, which I wanted worth mentioning out over here. If you have any kind of a problem with the kit that you have received, any part that you find is not, uh, it's not to your satisfaction, you can write back to Amati, and immediately Amati, without any questions asked, they actually respond back to you. And in my case, it was like within 4 days, and without any kind of questioning, they had sent across to me in a lovely package, because I told them that my keel and my hull are a little bit crooked, or it is bent, because अगर वो bent होगा, so then what happens is ship सीधा की जगह पर it will become like banana. So immediately उन्होंने जो किया, उन्होंने complete fresh मेरे को जो 4 mm का the whole portion of it, वो that they actually provided back to me, and this is what has come. This is again laser cut pieces, which I'll have to just take it out and start with my work. And as I start with my work, I will then demonstrate to you as to how to go about with it. So this is where these manufacturers, I would say, I mean, even Amati and all others, they have that kind of they give you that kind of a confidence. So that's all about the kit that I have at this point of time. And as I start off with the build, I will share the videos to you. So till such time, अच्छे रहिए, खूब मज़े कीजिए, और अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो डेफिनेटली उसे लाइक कीजिएगा. सब्सक्रिप्शन का थोड़ा सा ज़रूरत होगा, बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू grow myself a bit. So if you subscribe to the channel, that will be fantastic. If you want to pass it on, share with others, please do that. Thank you very much, and catch you soon with my build of the Chinese junk ship. Sorry.